Right, so we've got to multiply some fractions together. And how do they want it? They want the answer as a mixed number. And we'll cancel it down if we can. Okay, well, when we're multiplying mixed numbers together, what we have to do is write them as top-heavy fractions to start with. So we can say 1 1/5 times 2 1/3 is, well, 1 1/5 is, the 1 is 5/5 plus the 1/5 is 6/5, and then we multiply by, well, 2 1/3, the 2 is 6/3 plus the 1/3 is 7/3. Now, it would be a good idea to cancel as soon as we can, so I'm going to get the green cancelling pen out, and I can see that I've got a 6 on the top and a 3 on the bottom, which cancels to give me 2 and 1. And I can't do any further cancelling because there are no more common factors. So on the top, 2 times 7 is 14. On the bottom, 5 times 1 is 5. And how do we then put that into a mixed number? Well, I can see that I've got 10 plus 4 on the top, if you like, and so the 10 over 5 is 2, and the 4 on the top is 4/5. So there we go, 2 and 4/5. Now what about part B? Okay, now I'm subtracting this time, so actually I can do it as mixed numbers, or I can do it as top-heavy fractions. Let's keep going with the top-heavy fractions for a minute and see if we can see what's going on. So again, 2 15s are 30, so the 2 is 30 over 15, so I've got 37 over 15 minus, well, 1 times 3 is 3, so I've got 5/3, because 3 plus 5 is 2. Now, how do I subtract things with different bottoms, different denominators? What I need to do is I need to put them all over a common denominator. And sometimes you could just do it by multiplying the bottoms, but actually I'm going to spot that the lowest number that both 15 and 3 go into is 15. So I've got 37/15, and then I'm going to subtract, well, what have I multiplied the bottom of this by? I've multiplied the bottom by 5, so I should multiply the top by 5 as well, and 5 5s are 25. And putting in one perhaps unnecessary step, I put it all over the 15 now, and I've got 37 minus 25, and 37 minus 25 is 12. So that is 12/15. Now actually, although it doesn't ask me to, I probably ought to cancel that down, and I can see that 12 is 4 times 3, and 15 is 5 times 3, and with the green cancelling pen in hand again, the 3's cancel, 1 and 1 if you like, and that gives me 4/5. But because it didn't ask you to simplify it, they will accept 12/15.